Now I'm totally derailed.
Nothing.
Stephansdom rises at the heart of the city. Its stone carries centuries of voices. The climb up its tower is slow and steady, each step a reminder to breathe, until finally the city opens wide beneath you. We walked to Palmenhaus, a restaurant tucked inside a historic greenhouse. Here, glass and iron made palm trees and light. It once sheltered exotic plants for the imperial court, but today you can drink coffee under palms. While the city rushes by outside, I love places that let you feel both inside and outside at once. Sheltered but still open.
Nothing was left there. And cheers. Like the
Patient? Now I'm totally derailed.
nothing happened.
Yeah, nothing. So they bring her. He brings her to a family dinner. Quiet. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we don't sell that here. We don't sell that here.
Yeah.
It's the Pannekuchen.
Yes.
You wanna have the same ones?
Yeah.
So we have.
Later, brunch with my husband. A table shared, plates, a pause in the middle of a busy city. I've learned that love often lives in these ordinary moments.
This thing is. I'm a bit sassy today. Vienna?
No. Hello.
And he was mostly living in Munich.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he says he is not around much.
Mm-hmm.
So he was basically his atelier,
Wow.
but he was from.
Back home, the pace shifted. I sat at my sewing machine and gave an old skirt a new story. Cut, stitched, pressed into something I could wear again. That evening, I wore it to a Heuriger, where laughter rose as quickly as the wine was poured. The skirt carried me, part handmade, part memory, part celebration. Yesterday from the tower, and she reacted to it.
Huh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What is this? Don't give up.
I'm not giving up. I don't give up. Yeah, we are almost here.
Yes.
And we are about to have a great time at the Heurigen. And we got lucky because, what's the word? Today's the last day for
Yes. Yeah, not for summer, but at least for the next month, I think, or 1.5 months.
summer. Yeah. So we got lucky. Can't wait to show you the beauty that is the country life.
Okay. I don't need that.